Affordable. Something is not too expensive. You can buy it without much difficulty. The company makes phones at affordable prices. I bought an affordable purse for my wife. Combustible. Something that can catch fire and burn easily, like paper, wood, or gasoline. We shouldn't take combustible goods in our car. Paper is a combustible substance. Disposable. Something that is meant to be used once or for a short time and then thrown away. I used a disposable glass. He shaved himself with a disposable razor. Durable. Something that is strong and long-lasting and does not break or wear out easily. A tight knot is strong and durable. This is a durable battery. Feasible. Something that is possible or practical to do. The project is not feasible within 2 days. Do you think it is feasible today? Foldable. Something that can be folded easily. This chair is foldable. Yesterday, I bought a lightweight, foldable ladder for camping. Gullible. Easily fooled or tricked because you trust people too quickly. I'm not gullible enough to believe something that outrageous. He is so gullible that he believed him. Inedible. Not safe or suitable to eat. The loaf is spoiled and completely inedible. I didn't cook the mushrooms because they were inedible. Invincible. Too strong or powerful to be defeated, like a superhero or an unbeatable team. He is the Invincible in this movie. He felt invincible after winning 4 matches. Legible. Easy to read or understand, especially handwriting or printed text. His handwriting is neat and legible. The number is so legible, I can understand it. Perishable. Something that can spoil, decay, or go bad quickly, especially food. Milk is a highly perishable food. I bought some perishable items and kept them in the fridge. Portable. Something that is easy to carry or move from one place to another. He is walking with a lantern. A smartphone is a portable device. Potable. Safe and clean enough to drink. There was no potable water in the area. We are looking for potable water to drink. Tangible. Something that can be touched or felt physically. Real and concrete, not imaginary. The rain is tangible. The policy has not yet brought any tangible benefits.